tethered to the ground. Stuck in a slow orbit, tracing the same lines. A prisoner of physics, ignoring all the signs. Every step was heavy, anchored to the floor, dreaming of a sky that I was too afraid to soar for. But there's a fire in the engine, a tremor in the frame, a countdown in my spirit, whispering my name, tearing up the old maps, breaking all the laws. 3, 2, 1, I'm cutting off the cause. I'm hitting escape velocity, leaving it all behind. A comet in the darkness, for the world to find. Breaking through the atmosphere, a silver burning streak. This is the only language my new soul can speak. City looks so small from up here in the blue. A million fading embers, everything feels new. No more chains to hold me, no more past to trace. I'm navigating star charts, finding my own space. And the fire of the engine is burning hot and bright. The countdown in my spirit, just one final fight. I've torn up all the old maps and broken all the laws. Finally free without a single pause. I'm hitting escape velocity, leaving it all behind. A comet in the darkness, for the world to find. Breaking through the atmosphere, a silver burning streak. This is the only language my new soul can speak. Just the sound of starlight, a quiet steady hum.